Hi there. In this video, I will guide you through how to make a Gumroad account. Creating a Gumroad account is very simple. You can create the account with the help of your Google or any other account that you have, and if that will be available for creating. And also you can create that account with a custom email. So let's try it out. The first thing is head over to the site. Once you will search for it, you will see different websites. By using these, you will get access to the Gumroad. Just like I will click on this site, we are on that page where we can create our account and also we can log in. As you can see, this one is the login page, and in order to create a new account on Gumroad, you can see like icon sign up. Simply click on this icon. And here, as I said, you can create Gumroad account with the help of Facebook, Google, Twitter, or with Stripe, and also you can use the custom email address if you want to create your account. Once you will enter your email and password, simply click on the option Create Account. Then your account will be created, but I will use my Google account, so that's why I will click on the option Google. And then it'll ask some other details, but no need to worry, you can do that by yourself. And once you will do, you will see the same interface. And this one is the official page of Gumroad, where you can sell your products.